5 things you cannot control in life. Let me tell you a story first. It was a beautiful summer day when a young boy had a terrible accident. Luckily for the boy, the ambulance was close by and the boy was quickly transported to the closest hospital where an operation room was waiting for him and a doctor. The ambulance arrived at the hospital before the doctor, and the boy was immediately transported to the operating room while the parents were told to wait in the lobby. A couple of minutes later, the doctor entered the hospital in a hurry after being called in for an urgent surgery. He changed his clothes and went directly to the surgery block where he briefly meets the boy's father and mother pacing in the hall waiting for him. On seeing the doctor, the father yelled, "Why did you take all this time to come? Don't you know that my son's life is in danger? Don't you have any sense of responsibility?" The doctor smiled and said, "I am sorry, I wasn't in the hospital and I came as fast as I could after receiving the call, and now I wish you should calm down so that I can do my work." Calm down? Seriously? What if your son was in this room right now? Would you calm down? What if your own son would die while waiting for the doctor? What would you do then? Said the father angrily. The doctor smiled and replied, "I and the rest of our team will do our best to save your son's life. I advise you to calm down and take a seat." "It's easy to give advices when you are not concerned," murmured the father as the doctor went to the operating room. The surgery took some hours, after which the doctor came out of the operating room with good news. The operation was a success and your son is going to be okay. Without waiting for the father's reply, he started running towards the exit and saying, "If you have any questions, ask the nurse." Why is he so arrogant? He couldn't wait a minute or two to answer some questions about my son's state, commented the father when seeing the nurse minutes after the doctor left. The nurse answered, tears coming down her face. "His son died yesterday in a similar accident your son had. He was at the burial when we called him for your son's surgery. And now that he saved your son's life, he left running to finish his son's burial." After hearing this, the father calmed down and apologized for his behavior. The nurse said to the father, "Because of your pain, you may forget to have an open mind and see that others who are helping you are also hurting. Get all the facts before you judge and accuse others." My dear brothers and sisters, we humans have a big flaw in nature. We want to run everything on our own terms. We want to have everyone under our control. We want to control time. We want to control people. We want to control what people do and say, their thoughts, feelings, actions, reactions, likes and dislikes, and everything possible. Do we want to control ourselves? Do we want to know what we can really control? No, not at all. It is because of our habit of controlling everything that we are so sad, unrest, and disturbed. The truth is that we don't actually have control over every aspect of our lives. There is a lot we can't control. My dear brothers and sisters, real freedom comes from letting go of control. When you try to control someone or something, realize that you are actually wanting to be controlled by that person or thing. Since your freedom depends on the person or thing you want to control, the person or thing gets to decide how you feel. So, aren't you being a victim and being controlled by the person or thing? Letting go of control takes a lot less energy and effort than trying to control everything. There are a lot of things we worry about and plan for that we just don't have any control over. Instead of spending energy on these things, we can save energy and spend it where we do have control and on things that matter most. Now, let's dive into the things that you can't control. Number 1. You can't control people. You cannot control people about how they treat you. You cannot control their actions, reactions, thoughts, feelings, beliefs, likes and dislikes, etc. You are also not responsible for other people's actions, reactions, thoughts, feelings, beliefs, etc. Number 2, you can't control past and future. The past is the past. You can't change it, and whatever has happened is out of your control. Truth is, the past can hurt, but it's also whatever you make of it. You can choose to let those embarrassing memories go or hold on to them forever. The future, like the past, isn't in your control. You can try and put together a 5-year plan or figure out where you will be every step of the way. But truth is, the future is always unexpected. Learn to let go of where you think you are supposed to be and focus on where you are right now. After all, you can control your actions and reactions only in the present moment. Number 3, you can't control other people's happiness. As much as you want your friends and family to be happy, it's out of your control. In the long run, it's completely up to them how they treat their own life. You have to let go of their problems and focus on your own positivity instead. Help them find the bright side in a sticky situation, but then back off and protect your own peace of mind. You will be exhausted and drained if you keep playing the role of fate. So realize that you are human and put yourself first when you can. Number 4, you can't control nature. You cannot control nature or the nature of reality. For example, you don't control the weather. We try very hard to control nature. Nature is bigger than the human ego that believes we are in control of our lives. Nature does not care about the human ego. Number 5, you can't control time. Time is eternal, a never-stopping thing. We can't control it no matter how hard we try. Anything can happen anytime. Time cannot be controlled, but yes, it can be managed. My dear brothers and sisters, change your worldview about life. Work with life, not against it. If you think that life is beautiful and on your side, you won't try so hard to control everything. You would be open to the opportunities it brings and accepts whatever it gives you. Something is just beyond your control. Only control what you can control. Here are some precious quotes of Gautam Buddha to enrich your life. When you can't control what is happening, try to control the way you react to what is happening. You only have control over 3 things in your life: the thoughts you think, the images you visualize, and the actions you take. Take life day by day and be grateful for the little things. Don't get stressed over what you can't control. The more you try to control something, the more it controls you. Free yourself and let things take their own natural course. That's all, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Hare Krishna.